Hi, you are watching PDMS tutorial. In this lesson we will learn how to create a single branch connection or do a piping modeling in a single branch. So we want connection from this nozzle to this nozzle. So first of all we will create a zone and make sure your selection should be on this pipe work, on design pipe work. First of all create a zone. I am creating zone piping 001. Create a pipe. I am taking unset and it is showing create branch. So just head, it is asking head and tail. So the concept is like that, head and tail. If your flow is flowing through here to here, that means it is head and it is tail. If your fluid is flowing from this to this, that means it is head and it is tail. So we know this is suction line, so flow will be flow from here to here. So this will be our head and this will be our tail. So head is head and it is nozzle, so we will click on nozzle. Just click apply and click on this. So it is our head, and just go to tail and it is also nozzle. Just click apply and zoom in, click on this. So we will see line like this, and then dismiss. Go to create component. So it is component. So here is forward and backward. If you want connection from here to here, this is forward connection. If you want connection from here to here, this is backward connection. So we are doing forward connection from here to here. If you want to make a connection from here to here, that means we need a backward connection. So we are doing forward connection from here to here. So first of all we will create a gasket. Here make sure your selection should be on branch. Create a gasket, and before doing this, just click on auto connection and go to setting, choose option and all. Click here all, dismiss. Click on gasket, create. Okay, so gasket is created, and give 3 mm spool. Just click press 3, enter, and then after go to this and spool. So here it is created, and then we will need flange. Create, and I want weld neck flange, so it is WN. Click OK. It is created. I want gate wall here, so create first flange, weld neck flange, and so we will give distance. We will give spool 200. Just enter 200 and enter and spool. So it is 200 spool, and then after create gasket. We want 3 mm gasket, spool, and gasket is created. Then after we want wall, create on wall. We want gate wall. Here so many types of wall. We want gate, so click on gate. It is created. Then after we need gasket. mm. So gasket is created. It is forward. It is forward. If you are doing in backward, it will move upside. So it is forward. That's why it is moving downward direction. After gasket, take a flange, weld neck. Okay. It is created. So we need elbow. 90-degree elbow. Take a 200 spool. We need another elbow. I am giving 200 spool. We need another elbow. Rotate it 90-degree. Here is a one best option in this software, throw ID cursor. Select on this. You don't need to measure this distance. Just click on ID cursor and go to click here. So it will come up directly here. And then after, and here we can see it is small, so we will measure the attributes or Q P1. So here it is 150, its bore size is 150, and now we will measure this. For selection this, click on navigate to element and select this and check Q P1. Sorry, I forgot to space Q space P1. 80. So it is 150 and this is 80. So we need reducer here. So just click on reducer and make sure your selection on this. So our selection is on nozzle 1. So make sure your selection on this or go directly here and create reducer. So we know in suction line we need eccentric reducer. So we need 80 size eccentric reducer. So it is eccentric and just click OK. So here it is created. But we want flat side up in suction line. So just go to connect component and put up and apply. So up faced flat face come up like up, and then we need here flange and gasket. So just create gasket, sorry, first of all flange, weld neck, create. After creating this, just click on ID cursor and click this nozzle. So it will come up here directly, and then after gasket, click and give 3 mm spool. So it is created. You can give a single branch connection like this. In our next video we will learn how to create a branch connection, more than one branch connection through T. So if you like my videos, then like and subscribe. Thank you.